Hi, Carol Geronsin with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. I am so excited to present to you today 211 Yorkshire Circle in beautiful Anaheim Hills. What a serene area. Lots of green foliage, trees. This home is on a 20,000 square foot lot, as most of these homes are all on large lots. So if you're looking for privacy, serenity, you've got it right here. Let's go up this long driveway here, which actually allows you RV access as well. What a beautiful entry into this home, flanked by soaring palm trees, beautiful pots. Gosh, come on in. I'm so excited to show you this house. So this home is all on a single level, around 3,000 square feet, which really makes it a unique property when you've got single level, big lot, gorgeous pool and spa. And as you know, when you walk into the entry here, the first thing you look out to is that gorgeous rock pool and spa. Formal dining room here, which is nice, open and airy, and of course opens up to this beautiful casual living room area. So to the right of the entry, down this hallway, as we pass the wet bar, we have the guest bath and laundry room. And wow, what a wonderful master suite. Spacious, luxurious, high ceilings, cozy fireplace, lots of windows. Wake up every morning to this beautiful view. And what a lovely bath arena. Dual sinks, large shower, spa tub, windows to look out at the gorgeous grounds while you're soaking in the spa tub. Absolutely wonderful. And to the left, we have the family room, kitchen. Here we have our secondary bedrooms. Again, looking out to greenery, plantation shutters. This bedroom was turned into an office. So you could utilize it as it is now, an office, or if you needed the fourth bedroom, turn it right back into a bedroom. And here's the secondary bathroom. And what guest wouldn't want to be spending the evening here? What a great bedroom. Beautiful family room with fireplace, lots of windows, plantation shutters, high ceilings that opens directly onto this wonderful kitchen with granite countertops. So you really could put some bar stools here and just kind of belly up to the bar here as well. Light, bright, stainless steel appliances, lots of storage, center island, a pleasure to be a chef in. And what a great breakfast nook for breakfast, lunch, just to sit around, because look at what you're looking at. Very serene. Welcome to your own private resort. Wow, to spend days here, swimming in the pool, dining outside. There are multiple lounge areas surrounding the pool area as well. This is such a great size pool. And it's got your beach entry. If you just want to put a chair right there and read a book in the water, or you've got small children, This is so perfect. Oh, what fun, a water tube. And talk about a wonderful lot. I mean, look at this. Hard to find. Very serene, peaceful, beautiful view. And you can follow me down this pathway. And here we have our vegetable garden. What gorgeous trees. I just love it here, and you will too. So, recap. End of a cul-de-sac, 20,000 square foot lot, 4-bedroom, approximately 3,000 square foot, single level home with a resort-like backyard, lovely pastoral and some light view. Give us a call. I can hardly wait to show it to you. 714-602-3557. I guarantee you the minute you walk in here, you're going to want to make it your own.